Anginibingelele bazalwane egameni lika Jesu. Hlangana nami kuvuka udli wethu namhlanje isihloko lendawo ukhulumela ithi kwaso isiphetho. Funa nangidawo ukhuluma ngesiphetho bazalwane bami ngikhulume ngesicalo. I have to talk about the beginning. Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning God created heaven and earth. Leli Bible alisho ukuthi at the beginning. Lithi in the beginning. In other words, within the beginning. The beginning had already started. Ineminyaka neminyaka. The beginning ayisiso sikhathi sinye kodwa iminyaka isikhathi lesithe lelesakha le beginning exactly as the end ngoba nale end ithatha sikhathi kule end in a beginning of the end egameni lika Jesu. uNkulunkulu ke wadala lizulu, ezulwini lakhe kwaba netingilozi, ezulwini lakhe kwaba nama mansions tindlu, ezulwini kwaba ne kingdom lephelele. But ngifuna kunaka nathi le thing 3 tingilozi kwakhona a messenger angel leyayithunywa lekwakuthiwa nguGabriel, kwakhona lenye ifighter angel leyayibitwa ngokuthi nguMichael. Uyakhuluma nakakhuluma ngayo Daniel 10 uthi nemabutho ayo is an angel with angels, an angel that leads angels. Uyakhuluma ngaye Sambulo 12 uthi kwaba nembi yaMichael naDraco. Michael ate netingilozi takhe ngoba that was a different angel. Bese kuba yesithathu ingilosi leyayithandzeka kakhulu, leyayithandwa nguNkulunkulu, ayithandza kakhulu igama layo kwakunguLucifer. He was so beautiful. Egameni lika Jesu ngawuhlala kakhulu kuEzekiel 28 ngoba nguyelo fike ngimsebenzise nangichaza ngalo Lucifer. Wayemuhle kakhulu, ubitwa ngenkosi yaseTyre lapho. Wayemuhle kakhulu, athandwa uNkulunkulu kangangokuba wanikwa tikhiya tezulu maqedze wanikwa tikhiya tekufa neHades. Lakhuluma ngato Jesu ukuthi wathi thatha nakafa esiphambanweni, wathi hlwitha kuSathane wakhuphuka nato wahamba nato. But nokufuna ukuchaza kwesithathu ngiloko ukuthi Lucifer was a choir master, was responsible for ipraise yaNkulunkulu ezulwini kangangokuba uNkulunkulu wakhanza kukuhle kuthatha nakakha umhlaba ambeke emhlabeni Lucifer kuzaphakamisa indumiso letawuphakamela kuNkulunkulu the way labemhle ngakhona. Lithi iBhayibheli na ulifunza lama diamond emagolide nako konke ama minerals were on top of the earth, were the surface of the earth. Wayesinakahamba la emhlabeni a reflect lama minerals abe muhle kakhulu kangangoba lamanye ama angels ayemangala buhle bakhe lobuhle kangaka. Wayesinahamba ama angels ambuke amangale lobuhle lobungaka egameni lika Jesu. Kwate kwangena umoya waSathane wangena kuLucifer, loyo moya lomubi waze Lucifer watkhanza aphakamela kuNkulunkulu. Uthi nakakhuluma lo Ezekiel uthi waphakamela etintshabeni letingetulu wathi zama ukuthi khukhumeta atilinganise noNkulunkulu. Kulapho beqabana khona noNkulunkulu atomshintsha leligama lelithi Lucifer amethe leligama lelithi ngiSathane, ashintshe lamagama alama angels abeniwe wona abitwe ngokuthi ngemademoni. Washintsha umqondo uNkulunkulu wathi kusukela namhlanje bakhuluma kuMoya oNgcwele noJesu noNkulunkulu asakhe umuntu a replace eSathane abe on top. Usinaka mark out, we give you dominion over everything that is on earth including the devil, including Satan. Kufanele ukuthi umuntu abe ngetulo fana nekuthi uthathe umfati bese emva kwaloko uthatha sincanakazana so sinike amandla la ngetulo kwalomfati lomdzala. Butha abuyuphela emkhathini wemfati lomdzala nemfati lomshalo sanikwe tikhiya tetimoto tikhiya tatalokwa nalokwa emagunya lawa nalawa egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Uthi ke lo mbhali wase uyefika Sathane emhlabeni akhanza sekubekwe umuntu wafuna ukuqanganisa kubhidlita konke labekwendile because umuntu wayeto replace uthando lwaNkulunkulu kuSathane. Sichubeke kusasa bazalwane nalesi sihloko sethu egameni lika Jesu Kristu. Ngifuna ningilandzele nite kahle ningive kahle ukuthi ngibheka phi nalesifundiso ngoba ngiyanaso at the end of life egameni lika Jesu.